Hey guys, it's Tristan from Hills to Oceans. We're out at Sugarloaf Mountain today. There's 5 of us, and it's raining quite a bit, so hopefully we don't get rained out. But I've never been here before, so let's go enjoy a beautiful park. Well, Larkin ran ahead, and I think he's just dying at this point. But hopefully he's okay.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah. Just wanted to get a head start.
Fair enough. Well, it's still raining quite a bit, but we're getting there, I think. Well, we had to got to some sort of summit, but we ended up just having to go back down again. So I guess we're gonna have a bunch of increase in elevation to do again, but it's a nice trail. So much fog going on right now, which is super pretty, but sadly we won't really see any of the views from the top of Sugarloaf Mountain, but it's still cool to see with all the fog. It's still raining a ton and we're all pretty soaked at this point, but everyone's still in pretty high spirits, so that's a plus. They're somewhere back there making jokes, but I've never been on this trail before, so it's pretty cool to experience this. And I don't go hiking in the rain a lot. It's like, but it's definitely a cool experience. Well, we hit another summit. I don't believe this is the true summit, but just fog and the little outline of a mountain over there, but just so much fog going on at the moment. But we'll just continue down the trail and get to the true summit eventually. Well, I think I kind of accidentally left my friends quite a ways back. I tend to hike at quite a quick pace and just completely forgot that I was with other people, but I guess I'll wait in a little bit and make sure they catch up. But it's a nice little trail we're on. Finally seeing some signs showing us where to go. Sugarloaf Summit, 950 meters, so not too far now. But there they come down the trail, so I'll wait for them now. Well, I think we've basically got to the summit. It might be along the trail a little bit more, but looks like we're basically above the clouds, so we can actually see a bit of the mountains, which is nice. But definitely a lot more open up here, but the wind's picked up a bit, so it's a little bit more slanted rain as opposed to just straight up and down. But ooh, a little sign that says caution. That should be fun. We love caution signs. Oh, this is a little bit sketch. Let's see what it says. Caution, active rock climbing area. Beware of falling debris. Do not throw items off cliff. Users of this recreational area do this at your own risk. Cool. Maybe I'll have to come rock climbing here at some point and check that out. But that looks cool, actually. Can't really see it, but it's like kind of a gap between 2 big rocks. That actually looks really cool. But we're gonna go up here. Check this area out. Oh wow, it's getting really windy up here. The The weather's really picked up. I think it might be hailing actually. This is really cool. Look at that view. Wow, that's really pretty.
Yep.
Well, the weather's getting really crazy. The wind's throwing hail at us, and it's getting really intense, so I don't think we'll be able to stay up here very long, but I'm legit almost getting pushed over, so I think we'll have to head down very soon, but this is sick. Well, we decided to come back, or leave the summit, because that was actually insane and probably pretty dangerous, and we're in like a little pocket where the wind can't really touch us too bad, but that was absolutely crazy, and definitely a cool experience. But wow, like getting the hail just like smashed into my face was crazy. This guy just, like, we were about to leave and then he's like, let's just chill up here for a while, and we're like, are you crazy? But
yeah, it's definitely got to be the most intense wind I've ever experienced.
absolutely, yeah. But like such a cool experience.
Yeah, really cool.
Well, that was a sketchy experience. A few of us fell down some of these rocky, slippery bits, which was a little scary because I was scared someone would get hurt. But I think we're past most of the bad part now, and we're out of the wind, which is nice. But hopefully we'll just have a nice walk back to the car.
This is all so slippery.
Well, we made it back to the parking lot. So that's nice. We made it back in one piece, just a little wet and whatnot, but it was definitely a fun hike, and can't wait to see you on the next one.